Welcome back, guys. I'm going to do a little detecting. We've got a different program on now. We've got the magnet program, I think it is. I've got a couple of Norfolk Button Boy settings programs on, and Gary Drayton's Techno program, or whoever's program it is. So I'm going to have a go in these fields. This field where the sheep are near the apiary. There's pylons over there which interfere a bit. I might have a womble up the hill field, see if I can find the old track that goes across there. Possibly. I can't be bothered walking up hills today. I ate this Harris and Griffith, I think it was a quarter strength Jamaican rum cake last night, and I ate a lot, and yeah, it had its effect. So I'm not too wanting to walk up hills today. So we might go over there a bit, we might not. But anything good and I'll come back. So we've got a first good signal, it's a 61. Solid. We're near the substation. I'll dig it out and I'll come back. So it's just a piece of flattened out lead. On to the next. Got another signal. Pretty solid, so I'll dig it out and I'll come back. So it's in the clod. Just there. Pull out. Oh, it's a tiny little hammered coin. Oh, it is and all. Oh shit, I dropped it. Oh yeah, birdie. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's punched and all that. Nice. Not sure what that is though. It's got some little details on it. So it's pretty blank. It's punched, got a hole in it. That's a good find, that. I'll have to try and clean it up a bit and have a good look at it when I come back. When I get back, I can see some little numbers there. We'll have a look when we get back home. Good find. What did that come up as? My favourite number. 73. See, silvers, whenever I find silver, it's always in the 72, 73. So it's a good number to look for. Banging. On to the next. Right next to it, leave it on. Where is the hole? There's the hole. Where's the hole I just dug? See it somewhere? Yeah, there. There's the original. I'll dig that one out and all. Sixties. Bit of searching and I found it. Oh, it's just it's the bottom of a light bulb, like a vehicle bulb, probably tractor or something. Anyway, on to the next. So we've got another signal. Dig it out like that. Okay, so I totally missed it. It was actually in the side of the hole. Not sure what it is. It's shiny. Oh, what's that? It's like a piece of a handle of something. Oh, we'll have to check that then. Yeah, it looks like a fixing for something. Not sure. Don't know if it's silver or not. It'll give up a nice signal. Let's see, what did it say? Yeah, it's a nice signal. So anyway, on to the next. We've got another signal there. It sounds quite good in the earphones, so I'll dig it. We'll see. So the last signal was a bit of that tin again. Got a better signal here. 77. Pretty nice tone. It's a bit flaky this side. We'll dig it out and I'll show you what it is. There's one of them bullets. Yeah. Find a few of them in here, along with them green coins that you can't tell what they are. The older program, because my son updated me deus 2 to the 3.1 firmware, so I had to go back onto it and put back on the custom programs I had. I had a few, Button Boy, Norfolk Button Boy, Garage 8, and then another one. Can't remember his name now, but I'll find him. His settings were quite good. But obviously, when you jump to 3.1, like you update your firmware, stuff might change, so that program might not work very well. But it seems to be working fine. Gen +1 seems to be working really well. So I'm on to another signal. It's 4849, non-ferrous. I'll dig it out. So just another bit of lead. These could even be lead tokens, you know, because they're round. And I have found them before with like patterns on and stuff. Who knows? They're not bag seals. Bag seals are like, they're quite obvious when you find them. They're really thick. Right, on to the next. So we're on to another signal. 82, 83 non-ferrous. It's pretty solid and it sounds quite nice. I'll dig it out and come back. So that ground was like concrete, but here it is. It looks a funny shape. I've not turned it over yet. I just dug it out from there. So it's like a bit to go on maybe a horse's thing or something. Brass, I should think. Brass all bronze. It's shiny where I hit it with a spade, look. Not gold. You know, still a good find. Don't find much up this end of the field usually. On to the next. We've got a solid 83 here. Dig it out, but it'll be junk. So it's in the cloth. Oh yeah, right there. Somewhere. Oh, there it is, look. There then. Oh look, it's a coin. We have a coinage. Probably silver coinage. Ooh, Bella's Rodders. No, I don't think. Oh, it's an halfpenny, so it's not a silver coin. Halfpenny in the bag. Yeah, it's a halfpenny, so it's not a penny, it's half a penny. Not bad. Coin. We got a screaming 85. Screaming. I just found a little bit of a button down there. I'll dig it up and I'll come back. It's in the plug. Get the old hotty. Oh yeah. Oh look. Whoa, look at that. Ooh. Oh, it's a coin. Oh look. Looks like a coin. Wow. We'll give that a clean and we'll come back and see what it is. Probably one of them ones I find a lot that you can never identify. But we'll have a look. We'll have a little hunt around here. 85 on the coin. Getting a scratchy signal there. Oh no, it's gone to junk. Really scrappy. The other hole was just where was it? I buried it that good. I can't see it again. Just there. This is irony there. But then hits it hard there. So it was just a chunk of iron. Does kind of look like a handle of something though, doesn't it? Who knows? Probably not. Bit of farm implement, a bit of famp, I don't know. Bit of farm implement, bit of junk. We've got a nice dinger here, a 72. Pretty solid 72. I'll dig it out. It says non-ferrous. I'll come back when I'm dug it out. I'm getting buzzed by bees. So it says it's in the clod. There. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Oh, big old button. Do find a few of them in here. Big flat button. Give out a dinging signal, that. Do find a few of them in here, and usually find lead things. Didn't find lead thing, but I'll take that. 2 buttons and a coin. We'll have a little trek round this area. But